So I am getting noise from this ice maker here. I don't have ice in it. I don't use it. I don't use it for ice. It's making noise, so I'm gonna remove this part. See how we can see if we can fix it. There are two handles on each side. You move it, and it looks like there's a mechanism inside there that's making the noise. I try to turn the ice maker off from here. See there, it's off, and it's still making that noise. So with a Phillips screwdriver, I'm gonna untighten these two screws and these two screws. All right, so tug on this down. I'm gonna unplug it first, actually, and then I'm gonna tug this off. And I want to see why it's making that noise. There is no ice buildup or anything because I don't use this for the ice. All right, and I just figured out what it was. That noise has stopped. I unplugged this wire here thinking that was the issue, and it turns out my daughter stuck a light bulb in there. She stuck it, and I don't think there's supposed to be a light bulb in there. It was right there. It was right inside here. I popped this off by there's also two screws here, and this just pops in. This right here, the hose goes inside of there. Just focus. It comes out of this hole, that hose, that's for the water. And then it pops inside of there, and it clips on before you put the screw in. Click it inwards. What I'm showing you is if your kid put a toy or something in there, it'll get stuck in there, so you gotta yank it out. I never used this. I was like, is there supposed to be a round? And it looked like it was part of it because it's white and it fit. So I need two hands to do this. All right, so I pushed it inwards and made sure these clips right there were in. So I got the light bulb out of there. And now I'm gonna hook up this wire back on. I thought the wire would do something, but it didn't. Yeah, the small ones go on the top, right here. Remember, don't use a drill, use a regular screwdriver. Yep. I had to get to work today. So, my daughter's helping me to make a video. Alright, so it's back together. Alright, now we can plug it in. It's plugged in. All right. The noises are gone. No more noise. I turned off the ice maker because I don't use it. But that was engaged inside of that. So if your kid sticks a toy, like a light bulb in there, I don't know how she got it in there. She put it inwards, and then look, you could see only this part. And I never looked inside, and I thought it was part of it. I was like, what is that, light? So, appreciate you guys watching. Hope that helped.